Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw letter O. If you have not watched our previous video, go check link in the description box. For O, draw a big zero, then draw small zero inside it. O is completed. Now we will learn to draw O for owl. To draw owl, just follow me step by step. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and comment in the comment box. O and O for owl is done. Now it's time to color it. For O I am using red and yellow shade. You can use any two combination. And for owl I am using dark brown shade, dark yellow shade and light yellow shade. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end.